Today's video, I'll show you how to install and use the character editor mod in Hogwarts Legacy to change your character anytime. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and go to Files tab. Select the manual download option and select download and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. And check my video description for this another mod. Scroll down and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Now just to close stuff here and open the Epic Games. Click on the three dot icon next to the game and select manage and select this open install location and open the Phoenix folder, content folder, packs folder and mods folder. If mods folder doesn't created, then check my video description for this mod text. Just copy and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Create a new folder and paste the text we copied and open the mods folder. Just drag and drop these mod files inside here. Just go back and open this BP apparat and drag and drop these mod files inside. And then just close tab here and launch the game. After you are in game, press in keyboard F8 key. This blueprint apparat will open up. Type here character editor C and E caps letter and press enter. Now press in keyboard F5 key and as you can see character editor opens up. You can change the body to male. Show you guys. To close this panel, press the F5. I'll show you exactly what it does. Press the F5 key and change the body. We change to male. Voice change to one voice. Head style, skin color, hairstyles, hair color, then eye color. Change to whatever you like. Eyeliner, eyeshadow, and eyebrow shape, eyebrow color, lipstick, blush, and freckles and moles, complexion, scar, makeup. Everything can be changed. To close this panel, press the F5 key to close this. And now you can edit anytime in your game, guys. So to close this blueprint operator, you need to press in keyboard F8 key and that will be gone. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.